I'm Britta Hare, and I live in Appleton, Wisconsin. It was a good experience. It was really fun to be there, and it meant a lot. I liked being there.
I'm Shelby, and I'm from Appleton, Wisconsin. I learned a lot from that week, and I think that my spiritual life got a lot better. Just putting up walls and listening to music that probably wasn't the best, and that kind of showed me that there's good music that you don't have to listen to that's like Christian. So, yeah.
I'm Spencer Anblink, and I'm from Nina. It's pretty awesome. Learned some stuff. Yeah, I had a good time. It would mean a lot. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Good, that's
yeah.